Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Ms. Walker. Today we are going to make some shrimp pasta salad. So first we want to get a pan, add a teaspoon of butter, and we want to add our shrimp that we seasoned with our Old Bay lemon and herb seasoning. Y'all, this is so fat. Make sure you add a little black pepper too. So we'll let those saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Add a little bit of that chipotle roasted garlic seasoning, and this is what you will get. Okay, we're going to set those to the side for a minute, and let's make our pasta. So I've boiled my noodles, and now I'm just going to drain them real quick to get them ready so we can make this good old pasta salad. Once we get that drained up, we're going to put it in a bowl, add a teaspoon of butter, and my favorite salad supreme. We're going to add a lot of that salad supreme. I said this is a good meal. I never said it was going to be healthy. So make sure you season that real good with the salad supreme. We're going to get that tossed up. I got 2 spoons. Make it feel like I'm a chef or something. But get those tossed up real good, seasoned up real good. Now that it's nicely seasoned, we're going to get us some cherry tomatoes. Set those in one corner. Next, we'll add those grilled shrimp to another section on top of the pasta. Okay, so next we want to slice up some cucumbers. You can slice yours how you like, but I like to slice mine down the middle and then in half like that. Okay, so once you're done cutting the cucumbers, we want to put them in a small section in a bowl. We want to make sure everything looks nice and cute. There's some chopped onions to finish it off, to put in a little small section that was missing. And look at everything. It looks so nice and bright. We have to make sure we sprinkle some more salad seasoning on top. And this is my first time trying these Ken's salad dressings, so let's see how these come out. We'll add the salad dressing, the vinaigrette, and then we'll add the creamy Italian. You can add as much as you like. Look how much. Yeah, I added a lot. So we'll get the 2 spoons and we'll get to mixing. Now this is where the magic happens, right? So we want to get everything mixed up. Oops, I forgot something. Wait. Yeah, can't forget the Colby Jack cheese cubes. Add those, and this is what you get. Shrimp, cucumbers, pasta, salad, cheese, onions, tomatoes. Compliments of Miss Walker. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.